What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, if you have been around my channel for the last couple of days, you would know that I've been having issues with Terra Luna Classic and my overall amount that I have in there. I've been trying to move my Terra Luna Classic from MetaMask over to Station, the new Station wallet. Um, and it was kind of a nightmare for a little bit because crypto.com made it very, very difficult, which I didn't see this problem before, which we can say now that they're a lot closer in price. They still aren't extremely close, but they're a lot closer in price than where they were. And if you aren't familiar with the situation, make sure you go through those videos to watch those videos before you get to this one, which kind of explains how, KuCoin really saved my investment, my Lunic investment, and also provided me with a little bit more than I had before. So, anyways, I wanted to take you guys through, the fact that I got all of it back and how Lunic really saved that and how much I do have, as well as, um, you know, going through an update for Terra Luna Classic because I feel like the other videos I'm not going to have an update. So this will have that update on what's actually happening with Terra Luna Classic as a whole. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about any of the other links that are in the description. I'll probably have a link for Kucoin if you guys want to sign up for Kucoin, because it seems like the best off ramp of getting rid of your Terra Luna Classic. If you guys want to sell it for cash, it's sort of the best off ramp that I can see because it gives you accurate prices as well as making everything very, very quick and cheap. I'll tell you that. So I'll leave a referral link down below for KuCoin if you want to sign up for that. I'll also leave crypto.com if for some reason you want to sign up for crypto.com right now, with all the trouble that I've been having. I'll leave both of those down there. But let's take a look at where Terra Luna Classic is today. So you know that we've seen increases over the entire market. We've seen, Shiba Inu make a huge move. We've seen, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything really make huge moves. Terra Luna Classic didn't really move too much, right? It moved up to about 2,000. And then fell back down and was hovering around the 1700, 1800 mark for a little bit. But then yesterday, we saw everything kind of tank, and today we're seeing it fall back a little bit more. But in the last hour, we're seeing a lot of things that are recovering, so I will show you that. So currently, we're at 0.0001714, which is down 1.8%. We are seeing an increase in volume of 63%, $203 million that goes through. Now, if you look at how the chart has been moving, you're going to see this, right? We were up at that 17 level, decreased all the way down to about 15, higher 15s. And then we saw it consolidate around this level of around 16, did fall down to 15 again, but then increase. Now you're seeing it up to that 17 mark yet again. So we saw that fall, we saw consolidation, we see a rise. It looks really, really good. Over the past hour, I would say we are up quite a bit from, what we did see. Now, I guess since I looked at this, I guess we are a little bit down from that. I thought we were up. We were up about 6% when I looked at it first, but then I went up and had a conversation, and now things have changed. It's so crazy how things can change, especially when you're talking about hour by hour, right? Over the last hour, we're sort of down 34%. Sorry, 3.34%, not 34%. We're still up in the last 7 days, seeing it up about 4.6% in the last 7 days. So it's still good. We saw this decrease by a lot over the last 24 hours, but over the last maybe 2 hours or so, we have seen it increase quite a bit. And over this last hour, we really have kind of decreased from that high point of the hour before. So if that makes sense, hopefully it does. But anyways, let's get into the information that you are here. Terra Luna Classic looks okay right now. It's not amazing, but nothing is really absolutely amazing right now. But let's get into the information that you wanted to hear about, which is my coins and how they are saved. So I tried to move 28 million from MetaMask over to Station. And I went through crypto.com, which crypto.com was basically going to, after I was taking the same money and going to go buy Lunic, they were offering a higher price for Lunic, which means that I would have only bought 23 million versus the 28 million that I had over here, losing about 5 million or close to $1,000 worth of Terra Luna Classic. by just converting it from MetaMask to crypto.com. That's a problem. So I ended up having the USDC that was worth the 28 million over in MetaMask. So I had 4,000 like 700 or $4,800, at which I did move over to KuCoin, which somebody brought up in the chat in the live stream, and I remembered that I do have a KuCoin account. So I went into KuCoin, ended up, going through a bunch of tests to make sure that we have the right Lunic, that we're buying the right Lunic, all of that stuff. And now I have my Lunic over in KuCoin. Now I did just recently send all the KuCoin or most of it over to, Terra Station or Station, the Station wallet. But I have 5 million, 5.4 million that's still over here worth about $879 because I want to make sure it's free and that I can do something with it if anything happens. And then as time goes on, I'll end up taking out more as I hit my certain profit levels there. But it's so great to have KuCoin to go and do that. If you guys are looking for an off ramp, I think KuCoin is a great option. If you could find a way to send your USDC directly from MetaMask over to KuCoin, then you can buy your Terra Luna Classic very, very easy by just going from the main account and switching it to the trading account, and then trading, and then switching that trading account back to the main account. And it's going to be a very, very low fee for you guys to do that rather than what you're spending in crypto.com. So, anyways, I got all of it back. How much do I have in total? I now have 52 million. So I went from having 48 million to 52 million. And the reason why I have more is because I actually bought at a lower point than when I sold it over on MetaMask. I sold it when it was at a level of closer to 18. It was like 17 to 18. And then I bought it when it was down at like the 16 level. So I was able to gain more Terra Luna Classic without spending any more money. And that's absolutely phenomenal to see. And I'm really happy with the decision that I made, even though I thought that I wouldn't be able to buy my Terra Luna Classic back. At one point, you did see it really low in crypto.com, and I thought my order was going to get filled, but I guess I surpassed that order level. So it didn't actually fill the order because crypto.com did show it at 16 levels while the actual price was at 15. So I should have had that order filled, but I didn't. And I'm glad I didn't because I was able to actually buy more Terra Luna Classic over in KuCoin. So the total that I had outside of that was 31. So I went from 28 to 31, adding on another, it was like 31 point something. So another 3.3 million coins or so. And again, I'm really happy with being able to do that. And just pushing that over to Terra Station is definitely a big deal as well, or Station is big as well. So I got all my coins back plus more. Really happy with that. Thank you, KuCoin, and thank you, the down market that we've seen, for giving me the opportunity to get all my coins back. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this. Have you had any troubles off ramping from the wormhole wallet, the wormhole, bridge? Let me know in the comment section below, but I want to make it as easy as possible and help people learn from any mistakes that I've had. I'm just glad that this mistake ended up being pretty good for me. It turned out to be a good thing. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. But with that said, I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.